stories ni mum said the baby tia na amati for brenafe ya sorry so medical dia tuja say nebosha kepo o say ade ba ko a ohia e wo has e discipline na we player na indiscipline e wo afema obese kwase training ground so memma ho memma means wo because discipline ono say offer discipline ahead of bibia say your tactics say your system o discipline and na offer nyame ya aduma adwada and obey the first training e dey ma class of folk eno e wo ho mediama so do mani kire Cote d'Ivoire ene enom do mani e kire na omakoboabo mo mukudu a omo games kakra ombe matese so mo ne San Pedro e wo game e wo ho a ombebo ahead of Africa mediama ekugina eye Ghana anemu Zak na wo ka bibia na say second one me na no ye dey
Emmanuel Antwi
okay eno Emmanuel Antwi su meeting ne ko so one Menzu ene Eric Tinkler baba me fan tudwa say enra the Executive Council of Ghana Football Association ACI na nkomodie no na ebi for the next coach of the Black Stars enche na African Cup of Nations qualifies September ene bebo ye game no ye ne Cote d'Ivoire okay nti amko twetwe nkomo Carlos Cruz insensem no enche omobe engage the sports minister na afidi wo bia no omatimi e de ababonte wafu bi under 20 tournament ni so ayekoso no nyambo wo kina Ghana ye ni Togo na e de ACN coach maso kunadu amanfo is say local coaches no ono money da so say the maso entimi an qualified there na say local coaches no come here say omama obi answer si form na say obi answer si form because say the isi kono enye on eye Emmanuel Antwi de enra panyifo hie Emmanuel Antwi no munni didi nkomo busa ne de ha no odni nyina atudwa coach ni de to nanim say eba potential de akakra awa be show training ground so no e kire obi a owo potential but de omo hu ni say the seriousness of form o man animbre so man animbre dia oka omo plans on but sa suban na e wo no ho no wantimi anya mfiri ho dia o be yina from plans mu okay nti omo de tu Emmanuel Antwi nim ono so gitu ahye omo bo se obese sanwoma se de be ya obetimi aka omo plans on nti stories e de agu ye nya ne kakra na afia mati mami nti osuso e
jibo unse tama na unse o boy on komo no baby a na mo issue kakra and I'm happy say when you another info about chichimi because mostly the coaches their report no and yet no like the suban na I see you know and technical report no and the report coaches leaves purely on technical issues but no fed and no mujano nti kwa mpokumu e de ne bebe ma be IMC report na IMC jai no no e na nusuman outside no e bebem nti kwa me em say obed asema wo kan ye no they don't have good handlers around them, people who advise them on pure football matters. Em say me say captain and I say obed na me cast as me actually mobile last week so you know there's an instance where a player comes to you some imagine I do not imagine I know wouldn't know how to say how he had issues and about presenting how he thinks that say no but Tina come me don't tone level man when say Charlie you something is wrong with you a man who he now he thinks that there be or no quite fast by no I should have followed him like that. I'm saying you be a me football I say I do football me do what is
former administrative manager at table express
I'm still that
oh say what I tell was na former yeah also bofakwa na bi
bofakwa ne
bekumas na so aside or administrative manager no odco for 24 hours
Say unsa bofo no.
E bo ko to baba na ni di film.
Anu ye last one na.
Ye di film. Say amafo ko hu no.
Ne hu na wi.
Aha mo hu na wi a chese bibia so mo ne ye bi o mo ne na ye. So mo nim say Zakito de.
Na egbewa. Ebo na ye.
Afa de. Omunya information no. Na afa de. Ayele titi omo aka de ko di Zakito ho no. Na fo mo ko back enye yi.
Ombo mafia. Sama mafia na me omo bo me no. I'm inside the way say be more out. So more me no na te. Ah, my speeches. Then obi ba say oh ye hwe me wo abonten ase.
Edi unya be say next ka be say na we do.
Oh and they say
That ya go go time no
obi hwe me abonten ti membra. Obi me pay around the police for say me ko inside bi.
Oh. You say be what for?
I'm on fufu na show before me na chance won say me pay around the police for just say me go inside bi. So eti
ba so transportation dey amo.
Oh, that be
transportation amo.
No.
To one lusu he.
Oh, that be.
At least ufu de na be 10,000 bi there.
No, yes, I.
Go omo yen so be report. Omo see 50 Ghana notes and omo de ma. Omo na say wo ko na dey show chipa.
Laptop no say wo yen. Laptop no we.
No. Time na me pia bonten.
Mpa
me pia bonten na ma. Do. Eti na ebe me won wa. Hey, we are say there. Krobi yo. Krobi ye papa. Hey! Krobi ye papa.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay. Right, Osu Mizaya. Right, bana man for here kakra bra. Bejina ayi Zakito nchena amount for here kakra. Wona wa kire se wakwa abuchiri. Ba jo mo fan to bright so mame. Bright Osu Mizaya. Aha, enche bia na oye adwuma oye pa FM ha. Ba se okwa unya 2 years mpo. Onya 2 years. Ogo 3 years. Onya na kase o kata bibia bomo abaya. Ana ze unko biem.
Obi body finance mo ara na nti e dra obi nan so.
Okay.
Obi nan so nye gina.
Abochira fatao. Ba se ode blog abade. Even though more some
so we there. Now we Zakito. Let me who so know down what.
Okay.
Let me say me dey na pranye.
Okay. I know her bag ni why. Said the bear. Akwaba. Right, Osu Mizaya. Nya ho sun kusu ofia. Ese ye man akwaba. Captain Bacho Mrs. change position mama why. Sisi na
Mrs. and Mrs.
Is a doctor.
Mrs. Doctor Mrs.
Don't come fuck up because there be now over come back the doctor no here pa. And she ya was Mrs. Doctor Evelyn Insiasare. CEO Hazakes ladies.
Anna
and honor oye the special assistant to the executive chairman Asante Kotoko Ura James Osei Brown Joe Shop nti ono so ofia dog ba twa mu akwa ba wo
me do so but say wo de message ne ka ho so de wo so be shetfo
asema ba
enra na wa fon de ka say dan na me say oh he said o say me ko change adie de na me no
manenka wa
because me na more reason me na no yo hene and at the moment I be go out I be can insia side me na was one time a Kotoko CEO 78.
Wow.
So wait me be sakwa na boy and I think so pukunti mo year ma wona na say. My grandfather like Kotoko no e dan yem to say ne ba. Wa wono. So na insia sare de na ma didi kwa.
Sa.
Ai.
To what did you order?
My didi ho pa obi ya.
Ugusu didi ho.
Obi gusu didi. Obi ya di osinti na but actually me kind of say o de na nka so papa na ware
okay
and I'm just papa no mu
okay
to the mama fa wo so no fa nya made
okay
at the moment I will be coming sasana there it should be Mrs. Evelyn Insiansa
okay Mrs. Dr. Evelyn Insiansa Wusu and wa be di Black Queens won komo ne ebedi ananya no ano
Black Queen
okay ebedi Black Black Debbie wa shada ka kire me wa se opese obedi Black Queen
obi sa se Josh
ya wa kono ya bota na ment Kotoko ya de
o se mo yiman mu
ya ya
ko bi twima ya
so obedi
Kotoko na de bai ma ye nto ye nkomo ye be ba wo so ne abedi Black Queens nkomo Zach
eti na me ma wo you know most coaches gives
but ma mo de messages be ni nyina no oba for Black Queens nti wa ma for Kotoko ne e be a different time oba for Kotoko okay
Jibo
enkoy
coaches leaves behind technical report the management no eje technical report na no mo so mo de omo report general no e the account that thing say kan poku any entourage no at least omo ho on how omo efa so ekodi kan ko attack Hamza Emma Kofa Sase Muina Ediaba. Bajibo, you see, if you are a footballer, you have to concentrate on a field of play. Think about playing, training, performing very well. So now, Obedi can say reports never say after this, the training have improved and all those things now knowing now. But you see, the Bama Sasam no nobody can say Mubusano, did they confirm in Ebef is Sasam no confirmation will come your attitude at training with that person. Yes, because one day I'm going to say some now. I'm going to now I say about training cry or any person assume see these are relationships. Say in a tier. Then it confirms what or Martino. Even before they ask you, say I am pan, I say enyampa. Again and again and again, these boys is if you are a footballer, not just footballer, you're a public figure. The kind of person you moves with, and you or bar on any person in like a bobra. That decision is very key, Jibu. Because you see, anything from that person, a news. The way I Cristiano Ronaldo, Georgina, anything she posts beyond, it becomes news.
Oba Georgina na nchi be worry no.
Yes. A news because of Ronaldo. Messi yere sanity. Sasta sinya no if their woman aye bibia a news. Enti getting oba only babo bra and also oba ben kra po no. Jibo aye very important in terms of the kind of woman you choose. Because Jibo di entipa na emfa ne se Jibo. One be ma wo ho na wabo amane se say na si mate say coach no say enye no crew say enye no crew wa trafa mo say mesuba enye na wa fa phone after coach no. But Jibo, the reason why you can also take the man out of it and say oba no konya coach number 1 ever, because oba no ni coach number. Where did she get FNC Hamza's number from? Yes, because obet from a lot of sources. But Jibo, you see, to go forward in terms of how Kotoko wants to do their things, I pay Metiana Oka about how the number of players they want to register, senior players and youth team players. You see, we say okay, initially Baba was not some I want the mother. What's the Casa so it's so what sir how they want to do their things now. It's not time for people to be around and be indisciplined. You see, now the attention on how to the youth team quite fast youth team no youth team they should not be picking certain behavior from the senior players. Because if you are youth team SIA, you are in trouble. Because they have to lay the foundation be a bomber team. Now, some Colorado so champion for the super and a problem.
Yeah.
And I think say it's good that based on what Kwame Poku see, yeah, on your second chance, because Kwame Poku is a senior, okay, he should be a Kotoko. He only play issue, no. The beyond you know just how and why we not support AJB. Now, Blair now, darling boy, Pono, and Tessa Kotoko, Bobra, like a bob pa, asking Kwame Poku Kotoko. Boy, I blame upon Kotoko, half and po. But Kwame Poku, ye blame my supporters, a ye my simple grammar, I call it the Yao, go, Shekwan, some Kotoko pa. My simple as support to Kwame Poku no. The least you could do is over this house bound with the club in Imbium. At least as a to ride on it. Say a free name free to at least be positive at the club. It's you may I support it 100%. And you see a year or two you crowd pictures how these boys behave, how they think. So I put on WhatsApp. It's show how these boys behave. I say also Wasamka. Tamuswa Obakasa. Look at this. Excel how these guys are level of maturity. You good. Now with this Menzo and Eric, how they want to build the Kotoko team, you know, there's no time for such behaviors at the club again. Now you see with this one, now I best send a signal be. You show to the rest of the players for you to know say Kotoko going forward will not entertain such kind of behaviors anymore.
Mate Zakito medase mamemko senior mochamu ehona onoso emfane de emra. Was good morning striker. Kwame Poku has been a problem for Kotoko ever since he came back, but the authorities shielded him. Blair was sacked because of him. Later, when the management realized their mistakes, what happened? Nothing. They went on to entertain him till now. Thanks to the new authorities for their quick and smart move, nobody is above Kotoko. Dr. Abbas Bundu Edifri Eye Pechi number 2 and also Ede message we Ede Abba. Bad advice or inactions from managers, agents is what has caused the downfall of some players and allies. Garnacho is without a World Cup medal due to bad advice or inaction from those within his enclave. In 2022, Garnacho would have easily made the Argentine team, but his actions of robbing in of Ronaldo is the best, and his celebration ensure he didn't make the cut. Sir Sly Babs Edifri Accra New Town and the message we about senior most
say oko oboase in clay 7 okaze see the municipal no picnic wo ho ne nya ne say G8 no baso
akomia sechi
so mo clean ho na mo ye ho ne man omne oboase you know FC I go FC supporters no any oboase man no hwa omo clean ho to pave way for that G8 na baso nya me bo on the 11th of this month no August you know she say na ekoso oboase no then I think say Emmanuel Antwi said like Makasa se mudebia so here me who that potential in him Makano so many times but I say pushing him is it the point as pushing him players with this or the sasa I know lose him because this is a player when the height no cry man or appeal to the European market today I can say football no the basis no marketing ball add to the game I think it's work for him so it's good to win next year. Now Oma can be a channel. Any a second chance for him. Now Untimi and Sessa and Emma. Or right the wrongs no. I think he can do it. House to folk and couple. It is clear. The bedrock of every institution, discipline, very important. So only discipline adding success no. You are now struggle. Ebi na si Asante Kotoko Kwame Poku dey aye ken. Me free say no kra no Asante Kotoko no as a one man a lot of time. Me blame obi a because asemsia we penny and you give a person a second chance. Now say want me improve then because a player started say well you say now or man for threatening coach dangerous. So I support you know if the management no are taking on. But to House of Folk biggest problem back House of Folk face here the previous 2 years I think are you better to Onyema Kakra coach Okoye was the name Didi this is money ebe ya ade improve nyama kakra but it doesn't end there. They need to up it. They need to continue to instill discipline. Now Biana has no problem cause in discipline. Now we are no number 2 so okay from Liberty Call, very good player, but they have to let him go because of indiscipline. Sometimes you ask yourself, say, "Yana they been buying players, you so more active as if say they are there." Meanwhile, you need to work hard. So what you want in football? That's what's the own for training serious. Oh yeah, they are power. You can never progress. Though. The reason why the Cristiano Ronaldo, there should be an example to them. Any Messi at their ages and more ball to that top way. No. And then I said that if Ronaldo and about 200 million pounds, Sika Onyano, no. At the age of 41. That's what this over say. I mean, improve what? Maybe I won't do that level.
Okay.
But what do money football? More than home. Nay, because every one sure you may be out. At that time, I bury your football. No way you know you have to go to Juma. It's a new player about football here and name. Ababoma ya diamana ya na areho ya na omo problem life no ayebibi ho. Okay, so the players must see that and work towards it. So Kepo Asuma work and fantastic Medema in Cote d'Ivoire one good thing deserves another. Last year honom koe and the things the prisoner munya ne ho no eboa wo mo pa. So say how eboa there then why don't you go means uncle for the second time. I mean for and prepare some players we can ho I think it works for them. Games were across between Chelsea and Tottenham 1-1. Okay. Sandro Tonali and the Sheikh Woody kind of Tottenham Hotspur. And Estivao ate Ekano a day ama Chelsea. Ober Maminto Kanam cause I can see for him. And Chebeba line so now Yabe read you median ha.
Entry already has the potential. It's just an issue of seriousness. Never reaching the top. Talent visa with great talent comes great responsibility. If you don't manage the responsibility aspect well, you'll be laughing at the wrong side of your mouth. And a course with most players. So hopefully, like I said, hopefully, let's just hope that this time around things will work out. Now, and you may be news to be now a course and they be an echo to change in Sambano. Obey me at so, let me a boama, wait me a deliver, no I get to the top. I mean, everybody wants to see these players at the top. And you be any crana whilst you are playing well, no. You'll be giving out good results. Results be much tough when you aje. And also be boa wanka so abraba mo wet me tumpa mo akọ the next level. So I think so met me a friend catch so bit me froka we channels or pewasem. So as you say. So it's up to you to make a good statement. Players square ka 1 year contractor. Yeah, mo say what tell you. Senior say ka 1 year contract na club ni na so ball mafia. No be ma chance am wa ba. When you never come out, I want to go juicy. But sometimes you don't understand some of these guys. Say Nate Mudo, say fans kakro, say issue of ABR mentality. Also go the plan ya say be say me invest in them certificate. After your certificate you who say I accomplish it, the person achieve in life. BBN will push to move to the next stage of life. Let's just hope for the best when it comes to these guys.
Okay, Zach.
No, it's good. It's good. What's up?
Yeah, line is one 0322494401 0322494771.
After what happened, I started on my any all those stories around him, you know, and in the stories last season, you know, I think it's good to still on coaches, you know, I mean, he's still in their plans, but only if Obesa San is or stay focused, why is serious at the above ball, and you know. I like the way they are doing their things. Let's see, say or no player. And I said, yeah, say woman in our bread. Now, why serious in training? Now the potential and one with me appear at the Abba.
Kabi.
The shame was answer the Obama
and then they show the old directive.
Think I would also go na captain at was no afaro preko.
Okay, na ke nkodi man ho nkomomra. Madam wo ayi be kakre so okọ. So say ayi so kura na bo shaka po so the one in Biama House boys no.
Okay, intino
so wa we in discipline no. Opa training ayi grounds o commence wo. Also also we in discipline ah. Men twen ma ho na wo ba ho na bɛda ne deɛ ɔbɛpam nti wode kafe wobɛhu
nti yɛma atiefo nya wɔ sɛ captain before wo no dɔ akɔdi nkɔmmɔ ɔmonkan second yi no a yɛ sɛ yɛhyɛ wobɔ no entwideɛ no bɛba nti wo no dɔ kɔwie a na yɛde entwideɛ no so
director of the show ne no
ɛkyerɛ din